Hello, I'm Ben from Dart & Partners. Today I'm stood beside the slipway on the Teignmouth estuary in the beautiful coastal village of Shaldon, and this is a video tour of a property set very close to where I'm standing now, number 9 Riverside. 9 Riverside has a level approach and is set in a peaceful and picturesque part of the village, close to the village amenities and village green. 9 Riverside has a paved approach, providing parking for at least 2 cars, with parking being at an absolute premium in the village. The property itself is a 3-storey mid-terrace residence with an attractive raised courtyard style approach. The entrance door and entrance vestibule open to the free-flowing sitting dining room, a good-sized space with a bay window overlooking the front aspect, taking in some views towards Teignmouth Harbour and the higher reaches of Teignmouth. Within this space, a door opens to stairs rising to the first floor, and the dining area overlooks a cobbled courtyard area to the rear of the property. Leading off the dining area, there is a galley-style kitchen which opens to the courtyard and also opens to a ground floor shower room. At first floor level, there is feature panelling on the landing and stairs rise to the second floor. The principal bedroom at first floor level has a feature fireplace and double glazed sliding doors open to a balcony which takes in fantastic views across the estuary towards Teignmouth Back Beach, Teignmouth Harbour and the higher reaches of Teignmouth, with the balcony providing the perfect spot to contemplate the surroundings. And here is the second bedroom at first floor level, which is currently in use as a study and enjoys good views towards countryside in the distance and the higher reaches of the village. And here is the relatively recently refitted bathroom at first floor level, which has a separate WC. To the second floor, there is a fantastic dual aspect room with exposed trusses, with this room taking in truly breathtaking views across the estuary towards Teignmouth Harbour, the high reaches of Teignmouth, the back beach and out to sea. There is eaves storage space, and this room also takes in good views towards the countryside on the fringes of the village. Thank you for joining me at number 9 Riverside. For more information or to arrange a viewing, please call 01626 871 071 or email ben@dartandpartners.com. Thank you.